What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to play a good game, Flappy Bird. Yes, be sure to have fun. So let's begin the video. So yes, I am playing Flappy Bird. As you see, everybody, I'm losing this. So let's take it serious. So yes, 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 yes. Yes. Oh. Nah. Fuck. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Wait, because I'm gonna lose. So get ready. I'm getting ready. I'm ready now. Fuck. Really fuck. But don't lose hope. Yes, yes, yes. Yay! I'm not losing. Be everybody be happy. Be happy because I'm not losing. I'm winning. So yes. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Yes. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, I took the silver medal. Yes. Oh. So, the fresh air on my face. I must get a new high score now. A new high fuck. High ass. Getting ready. Getting ready. No. Please God. Please God. Please God. Don't be a rude game. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, 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 fuck you, you little game, fuck you. So, ooh, this is the legend of me. I'm the legend of this game. As you see, I'm really a legend. So. Fuck this. Really fuck this. I'm a loser in this game. What can I do now? I want to win. I want to win, motherfucker. I want to win. I want to win. I want to win. But I'm not winning. So I'm wondering why I'm not winning, because I'm ending the video, guys, because I'm done with this. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the video. So bye bye.